How to look at your liked videos on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can look at your liked videos on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to look at your liked videos on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram application. And then let's say over the years you've happened to like many videos. To find them, tap the profile icon, three lines option from the top right, and go to the option called your activity. Now all you have to do is go to the like section, and here you'll find all of the likes that you have made on Instagram, which could be a photo. Now unfortunately you cannot only filter it by videos. As you can see, we don't have the filter option to only see the videos, but if you look here you can see the reels icon, which most likely means those are the videos that we have liked on Instagram, as you would be able to find it here as well. And this way you should be able to find and see all your liked videos on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.